Part 10. Verify that the USB drivers for the FT891 are installed in Windows. On the search bar, type Device Manager. Once the Device Manager window is open, go to Port, COM, and LPT. Make sure you see the two Silicon Labs dual CP210X drivers. One is enhanced and the other is standard. Double-click on the enhanced port. Go to Port Settings. Make sure that the bits per second is set to 9,600 bits per second. Leave the rest at default. Click on Power Management. Uncheck the square. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Double-click on the standard port. Go to Port Settings. Make sure that the bits per second is set to 9,600 bits per second. Click on Power Management. Uncheck the square. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Close the Device Manager window. Connect the FT891 or your radio to the PC at this point. Open WSJTX. Click on File, Settings. Enter your call sign. Enter your grid. Select your region. Select the features you like to use. Then go to the Radio tab. Rig, select Yaesu FT891 or your own radio. Under Cut Control, Serial Port, select COM4, which is the enhanced COM port. PTT method, select RTS, then change the port to COM4 as well. Then click CAT. Under Mode, choose Data Packet. Split Operation, Fake It. Click Test CAT. When it turns green, you are good to go. Click OK. As you can see, the radio and the PC are now working together, decoding FT8 transmissions. Press Tune to make sure you have good SWR level, which is less than 2.5. Use a tuner if you have to. Choose a band, example, 20 meters. Place a dot beside TX6. Then click Enable TX. This will send a CQ call on FT8. A CQ call was sent out. Monitor the ALC level in your radio. Monitor the power level and the SWR levels. Monitor the receive level as well as make sure it's not going over 80. We sent another CQ call. Since no one replied to our CQ, I changed the mode to hunting. I wait for a CQ call. Station W4PSK is calling CQ. I double-click on it to respond to his CQ call. This station is 1,676 kilometers away. He responded and gave me my signal report of 8 dBm. I gave his signal report of plus 20 dBm. He confirmed my report and sent a Roger 73. I sent a 73. The WSJTX QSO confirmation pops up. I enter the power used. Click OK to save it. WSJTX will save it on its default log database. Minimize WSJTX. Now, the grid tracker. Double-click to open grid tracker. Open call roster. Select the boxes you want to enable. Click on Settings. Select the boxes you want to enable. Click on the main settings. Keep the UDP messages from WSJTX to UDP port 2237. Enter your grid square. Distance units, we use metric units, so I have to change this to kilometers. Enable forward UDP to another host using TCP/IP. Port 2238. Enable ADIF UDP broadcast for logging at port 2333. Go to Features tab. The defaults here are all fine. Go to Lookups tab. The defaults here are also fine for now. Go to Audio tab. Choose the speaker you want to use to hear Grid Tracker audio alerts. Click on the Map tab. The defaults here are fine. Click on Grids tab. The defaults here are fine for now. Click on the Logging tab. Uplog. Enable WSJTX log. Grid Tracker 2 enable backup logs. The rest are fine for now. Click on Audio Alerts tab. The defaults here are fine for now. Custom Alert tab. The defaults here are fine. Click on the Logbook tab. Enter your call sign here. Click Enable. Enter your current working grid here. Close the main settings. Open the call roster. On the exception, enable new calls and CQ only. Close the call roster. Minimize the grid tracker. Now open Log for Old Man 2. Close the welcome message. The configuration page will open. Enter your station call sign here. Choose your IARU region. Choose your station country. Enter your name. Enter your street if you want to. Enter your city. Enter your postal code. Enter your county. Enter your operator call sign. Enter your owner call sign. Click Save and Apply. Click Log for Old Man 2 to launch the program. Windows Firewall will block this launch. Click Allow Access. Click Allow Access again. Under Database, click New. The Documents folder will open. You can change this default path, but for this tutorial, I will leave it as default. Enter your call sign on the file name. Click Save. You should get a pop-up message that the database created successfully. Database type is SQLite. Below it shows the location of this database. In this case, it is in the Documents folder. Click Test. You should get a message that says Connection Successful. Click OK. Click on User Configuration. A new configuration ID has been generated based on your database description. Under Description, enter a description that describes this database, example, mobile, or POTA. Click Save. Note that the green active message and the configuration ID key changed. I went back to station information and updated my station grid square. You can change this according to your activities. If you are doing POTA, you can enter the park grid square here and change the database description to the POTA designation. Click Save and Apply. End of Part 10.